Guys, this is step index. I just took this step index trade like this, as you can see, massive. Like this step index, you can see it was a sniper entry, This trade, the reason I love, one thing I love this, one thing I love about this trade is that it is so neat, right? It is so neat. Now look at what I saw that made me take this trade. Let me show you guys what I saw that made me take this trade. This is so clean, guys, so clean. Now this is my main target. That's where my TP is. And I'm targeting about $532. Right? That's what I'm targeting. So, but if you see now, we have price that we've touched $360 and price is back to 300 and let's say $300 or so. But I'm expecting it to break this high and then hit our targets. Right? So what did I see before taking this trade? First, you can see that price was in a downtrend. It has been trending downwards all along. By the way, this is a trade I took also earlier. I made profit. That was yesterday actually. We hit profit also. So price has been dropping since then. It has been dropping ever since then. So at this point, price made a low, made a high, and dropped again, made a lower low. This is pure market structure, right? It's made a lower low because I'm expecting that price should go back to retest this level. That's my expectation actually. So when I saw this low that price made, and then it came back and made a higher high, you can see the aggression with which it moves and made that higher high, very smooth. So that's the sign that there's a high bullish momentum that is going to take it to this place. So after taking out this high, that was our change of character. It's something that we can call a change of character, right? Let me add it. Chalk, change of character. So yeah. So this is a change of character, and then when I saw that, I knew that price was going to, come back to this other block. You can see this is the other block. This is the aggressive move. So I expected it to come here. So I just used my pending order. I didn't have time to be watching and all that. So I just placed my pending order here and stop loss here, and then my target here. This is my TP. You can see that. And look at what is happening. This is moving very smoothly and it's going to hit take profit. So basically what I have to do right now is to come to break even. Yeah, it's better to lose your profits than to lose your capital, right? It's better to lose your floating profit than to lose your account. So let me put that break even there. However, I'm going to go to lower time frame to check if that my break even is actually okay, if it's good there. So of course I also did that lower time frame analysis for taking this trade. You can see everything's clean, very clean from lower time frame. So we're looking at 5 minutes now. So that place my distance is still okay. So but I don't know what price might do now. It might decide to return back. But even if it does return back, I know, but I'm seeing that we have this low, and this other low here, and this one before my SL. So if price should take out all these lows before coming to my SL here, why should I remain in the market? Actually, I can even decide to put it here. Yeah, it's also good because look at it now. Price just broke this high. These are internal structures. Price just broke this high, and with aggression, look at the aggressive candle. As a matter of fact, I can even enter more position here. I can even enter another trade there. Then the stop loss here. Right? The stop loss should be here. So I can do that. So my break even should be here. At least even if it goes against me, let me catch $200. Get what I'm saying? Yeah. Let me cash $200, bro. It's not easy. I've tried that. Haven't I tried? At least today that the market gave me something. She the other day that I took that trade on, is it BTC be good? Okay, that was GBP USD. After going in my way, after going in my direction, it came back and hit my stop loss. Very annoying thing. So if I had put break even like this, I would have secured at least $20 or $30 before that reversal. So now I'm putting this break even, securing $206. You should come back, otherwise go to my TP. That's all I want. So guys, that's just how it went, and that's how it's going. And the most interesting thing is the sniper entry. Look at it. I just tapped here and pushed. That's a sniper entry. I love it, man. So that's it. This year we keep practicing and trying and getting better, 1% better every day. I join my Telegram because I always post my trading setups, right? I always post my trading setup. As a matter of fact, my crash index just hit take profit also. Yeah, I always post my setups. You see, these are setups that I still have. I'm watching. Look at this trade on crash that I took. This buy trade that I took on crash. Look at it. Very amazing trade. Look at it from here, and then this was my TP, and it hit my TP. I also took this one yesterday. I will see that here, and we also hit TP here. Very simple thing. This one hit XL actually. Yeah, this one hit XL. So you can see big win and small losses. Just small loss, big wins. That's how we trade, guys. That's how we trade. So I don't know. I was expecting. Jesus Christ! I was expecting this thing to go back to my end and go and retest my entry here before coming to TP. But here we are left behind. Price didn't reach my entry. You can see that they didn't reach my entry. I thought as much. Something was telling me that price will not reach my entry because I didn't come on time. Man, I missed this very profitable setup. This is where I was supposed to place this trade. This is where I felt I should have put it. Sure, man. Okay. Some days are like that. You just miss out. But it's fine. So that's how we roll, guys. That's how we roll. If you like the way I trade and you want me to teach you, you can contact me. Join my Telegram. The link is my bio and in my description box on YouTube. You can contact me via Telegram for mentorship or for signals or account management. We do all of that. Okay. This is our trade, and we get 1% better every day. Peace and love.